Hi everyone, today I wanted to share a recipe for the summer. It's an ice cream, which means healthy ingredients for ice cream. To that I'm using frozen strawberry puree and bananas that we're gonna slice thinly and a little bit of half and half. So slicing bananas pretty thin, placing it on a paper, put it in the freezer for about 3 hours. 2-3 hours, and here's the frozen strawberry. We're just gonna blend these two together, put it in the blender and puree, and add a little bit of half and half to kind of even it out to make it a little smoother. And look at that, it's the perfect ice cream that you can get. It's creamy, it's strawberry, it tastes different than a smoothie. It tastes more like ice cream. So, but you do have to eat it faster because it will become more on the thinner side. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy watching this recipe. Please like and subscribe for next great videos. See you later.